So we'll go with the next experiment. Experiment number 3. Design and develop and implement a menu-driven program for the following stack operations. Menu-driven program. Okay. So recording has been started. No problem. Yes. Here, this program I already explained briefly, and as well as the coding part also I explained how to use this stack and what do you mean by a stack. So today we'll go as per the laboratory question: design and develop, implement a menu-driven C program for the following stack operations. Array implementation of a stack with a size max. The maximum size of an array has to be defined using that max variable here. And what are the various operations that can perform it on the stack? One function is to push an element onto the stack, pop an element onto the stack, demonstrate how stack can be used to check a palindrome. This is the additional part that we are doing here. Demonstrate stack overflow and underflow situations, display the status of stack, and exit. These are the various operations and functions we need to perform it on the concerned stack. Okay, so hope the basics of stack is cleared for you people. Hope I understood the basics of stack in the previous classes. So it will be little easy. If not, it will be little difficult to understand the concept now. What is about the ADT of the stack? Abstract data type of the stack, commonly which is programming languages and named as stack, behaves like a real world stack example. Like one example real world what we have taken here is a deck of cards, and another one is a pile of plates. These two are called, we can take it as a real world example. So for the application on the stack where we can perform it. Okay, so this is the last in first out data structure. Previous class only I explained. The operations insertion operation called as push. Removal, that is a deletion operation from the stack, we call it as pop. So what is that? Stack has how many ends? A general question. How many ends the stack contain? Only one end. What is that end called? What in general we call that? Top of the stack. Yes, good. So that we generally call it as top of the stack. Okay. So that only we are demonstrated here. The push operation, the last element what we have inserted will be the first element to pop out, that is throw out from the stack. So this we call it as top of the stack. So only from the one end of the stack we will going to push as well as pop from the stack. Okay, and this is about a brief description of a stack. These are the various functions that we need to concentrate here. Mainly these major functions, so that I will going to explain a step-by-step procedures. General algorithm of a stack here. First, a general algorithm of a stack. So initially algorithm we will write with a start, then initialize the stack maximum size, that is the top of stack to -1. Initially the top of stack will be -1 only. Push the integer element into the stack and display the contents of stack. If stack is full, overflow condition, pop the element from the stack along with display stack contents. If stack is empty, stack underflow. These are the operations performing on the stack. And one more step we need to perform here is check whether the contents of a stack are palindrome or not. What do you mean by palindrome? What do you mean by a palindrome? Answer fast. Palindrome. No answer. Why? Palindrome, reversing the same number, then check whether if they are equal, reverse equal to original, what will be there? The number is called palindrome. If not, not a palindrome. Reverse is same as number, that we call it as palindrome. If not, that is not a palindrome. Okay, this is about a palindrome condition. We need to check for a step number 4. Check whether the contents of a stack are palindrome or not. Okay. Okay. First function we will take. So hash include directives as usual. Hash include standard io.h, conio.h for console. A maximum size, that's maximum of stack size, we have defined it as 4. Okay. So stack of max. So that contains stack of how much? So this will contain a stack of size 4, right? And item is nothing but the element that what you have to insert into the stack. This 4 indicates the index of a stack. This 4 what we have taken, that represents index of a stack. Okay, that item variable is used to read the data into the stack. So choice top is equal to -1 as we have put, count is equal to 0, one more variable we are using for the palindrome function there. So what is this declaration called? This declarations we call it as what? Global declarations, or a declaration before the main function. We're going to do that. Okay, so push function. First push function, which we used to, for what purpose the push function is used? To insert the data, right? To insert the data, we are using a push function. Check the condition. If top equal to max minus 1, stack overflow, right? So when the top is equal to max minus 1, when it reaches the upper bound index, that will be indicating that stack overflow. If not, stack of top is equal to item. So this function I already explained. That's why I'm going little bit fast here. So next is a pop function. Pop function will going to return the element from the stack, that what we are deleting it from the stack. So if top equal to -1, so initially the top will be at -1, right? At the time stack will be underflow. If it is not equal to -1, then we have to return that concerned stack of element, and that popped element we have stored it in a return variable here. If you return this return variable, the popped element will be stored in this concerned variable. So this both functions, push and pop functions, is it clear? Is the push and pop functions clear? First condition, we're going to check with the stack overflow. Second condition, we'll check with the stack underflow. This in the theory class, descriptively I have explained. Okay, fine. So now if the push and pop is cleared, we will go with the palindrome function. What is that palindrome function will do? That is the main important concept here. Another point we are taking here. So as we told that palindrome is reversing of the number and checking that, right? So here one temporary variable we are taking. Temporary is equal to top. Consider a stack of 3 data is there. So 10, 20, 10. Top is pointing here. 0, 1, 2. So flag is equal to 0. Temp is equal to top. What is the temp now? What is the value of temp? What is the value of temp? See the board and tell. See the assignment. I am asking the index value, not the stored in value. No. How come it is 0, Aditya Raj? Always top point, wherever the arrow is pointed there, that we call it as a top, right? So that temp is equal to 2. I is equal to 0, j equal to top, and I less than equal to top. What is the j? J is equal to top is nothing but 2. Is 2 less than, what is 0 less than equal to top? 0 less than equal to 2. Condition is true, right? Gets inside to this loop. Stack of I is equal to stack of j. Stack of I is what? Stack of I is equal to what? 10. Stack of j. Here I is equal to 0. J is equal to 2. So both are 10. That is 10 equal to 10. Right? So flag is equal to 1. Break. Right? Yes or no? So when we set flag is equal to 1, that we will break. So break after the loop, not before loop. After the loop, the break condition is used, not here. Okay, sorry for interrupting it. That is, break is here. Okay, so now go with the next condition. I is equal to 1. I is incremented. I value will be 1. J value will be, again, what is the j value? Decremented 2 to 1. Now check the condition here. J is equal to top, we will assign. So the concerned value we need to check here. I less than equal to top. What is the top value? What is the top value here? 1. 1 or 2? 1 or 2? Top. 2. The top value will not change. Here we are not deleting any data for your kind information. Okay. We are not deleting the data. We are checking the conditions here. Okay. So 1 less than equal to top. That is 2. Okay. So again, now check stack of I equal to stack of j. What is the value of a j? 1. Value of I is 1. Check with this 2. Now the values are 20, right? 20 equal to 20. Condition is true. Go back. Again increment I. I will become 0. Sorry. I will become 2. J will become 0. Right? Yes or no? I is incremented. J will be decremented. J came to 0th position here. Okay. Now check the contents. Check the content of the stack. Is that are equal? Is the condition is equal now? Stack of I. What is stack of I? What is the value of stack of I? 10. Stack of J. What is the value of J? 0. The J of 0, the stack of 0, again 10. Stack of I is 2. This value is also 10 and this value is also 10. Is it equal? Is that values are equal? Yes, right? So now flag will be 1. Once you increment it again, here the condition will become false. 2 less than equal to top. Sorry, 3. Now the I value will become 3 after incrementing. 3 less than equal to top is 2. Condition is false. Once the condition is false, where we will go? Break that and we'll go for the what? Contents of the stack are palindrome. If not, the contents of the stack are not palindrome. Okay. Is it cleared? Is it cleared how to check the palindrome of the stack? Yes, no, no reply. If yes, we'll go with the display part of the stack. How do you display the content of a stack? So here is a display function. You can see to display the stack, we will going to check the stack empty or stack underflow condition. So it will start from the top of the stack. It will going to pop one by one element onto the output screen. Top is I is equal to top, I greater than 0, I minus minus. From the top of the stack, it will going to display it in sequence the data onto the output screen. So this is about a display function. This function will display the contents of the stack which is stored inside the stack. What will be the output here? We will get 10, 20 and 10 are the content of a stack. Initially the top is at identity position, so I greater than equal to 0. What is the I value? I is equal to top means what? 2, right? 2 is greater than equal to 0, condition is true. Get inside to the loop, print the value 10. Okay, decrement value of I, 1 greater than equal to 0, print 20. Decrement I, 0, 0 greater than equal to 0, condition is true. So again display 10. Okay, next decrement 0 will become minus 1. Minus 1 greater than equal to 0. Is the condition is true? Is minus 1 greater than equal to 0? Condition is true or false? False. What it has to display? Come out of the stack and print /n. The contents of a stack are printed. Is it cleared how display function works? So if you have cleared with this part, the main program is very simple. Here the main program contains a menu driven, as I told, a menu driven program. So menu driven, here we have 5 menus. So 1 to push a data, that is insert data, 2 to pop the data, 3 to check whether the stack is palindrome or not, 4th choice, exit the end of execution. So that we have to enter the choice. So what type of statement we can use when we have a multiple options. What is the statement we can use there when we have a multiple options of selecting? So multi-way selection statement called as switch statement, right? So that switch statement we are using here to evaluate the stack. Can you see here? First part, switch choice. So CH, if the given choice is 1, this part will be executed. Okay. So in this part, they enter the item to push. It will going to call the push function, increment the stack and store the data. Immediately after that, it will going to display the data. So the same thing here we can see. So option taken is, sorry, main sample output. First option push, we have entered a choice as 1, enter element to be pushed, that is 1. We have taken 1 to be entered, the contents of a stack. So after execution, display function is called, that 1 will be displayed on the output screen. Okay. Similarly, if you use again 1, again the choice is 1, enter the element into the stack, how the stack content will be displayed? From bottom to top or top to bottom? Contents of a stack will be displayed from top to bottom or bottom to the top? How it is bottom to top? How it can be a bottom to top? Yes, tell me. Top to bottom, right? In sequence only from the top. Again, we are inserting one more element. You can see this menu driven. Again, we have taken it as a 1. The contents 3, 2, 1 is displayed. So similarly, we'll be keep on inserting the data. After inserting the data, we have taken a choice 2. Here, choices 2. Contents of stack is 4, 3, 2, 1. Which data will be popped when you use a second option? When we select the option number 2 to pop the data from the stack, what is the element will be thrown out? What is the element popped from the stack? When the stack is containing 4, 3, 2, 1, the top is pointing to 4. And the top is pointing to 4. How it will pop? 4. Yes, correct. Now we have 3, 2, 1 in the stack. The pop element is 4. That is displayed it on the output screen, right? So next we will going to check with the palindrome of a stack. Enter the choice 3. The stack contents are not palindrome. Why? Why the stack contents are not palindrome? The contents of stack is 3, 2, and 1. What you will get if you reverse? 1, 2, 3, right? So this is not equal, right? So when it is not equal, it is not a palindrome. Okay. So now again, popped element is 3. That is the second choice we have taken. Next, choice number 1, insert the data. Again, we have inserted data 2. The current contents of stack is 2, 2, 1, right? The current contents of a stack is 2, 2, and 1. Enter the choice. Just a minute. Huh. Next, again, one more element is inserted here. One more element inserted here is 1. So the current data will be 1, 2, 2, 1. This will be the current items of the stack. So the current contents of stack is 1, 2, 2, 1. Right? Enter your choice now. 3. Is the content of stack is palindrome now? Is the contents of a stack is palindrome? Yes. So 1, 2, 2, 1. If you reverse again, 1, 2, 2, 1, you will get both are equal. Condition is true. So we will make it as that is checked condition is palindrome. When you put a fourth option, choice number 4, you're going to throw output that is exit option. So is the point is cleared for you? The program is same as the previous what I explained in the regular theory classes. Here, what is the additional part we have added in this program? Can anyone analyze and tell fast? What is the additional part added there? Just one palindrome function. So that you should be familiar. So majority of your laboratory programs will be based on theory only. So concentrate more both the times so that it will be more familiar. No need to study it again and again. Is it clear now? Then you can start executing your program. Those who have laptops, you can start executing and check that break condition where you have to put. That is a small trick I have applied it for that. A break condition you need to check there. Is it cleared? Let me take the attendance. Srinidhi sir login ಆಗ್ಬಿಡಿ attendance ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ ಹಂಗೆ. E-governance ಗೆ attendance ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್. Those who have joined now will not get the attendance. I will take the log records. Okay. Don't come for the sake of attendance. So all of you type your revision and keep it ready. I will call the attendance now. Lesson 1. 1. Asta. 2. Lesson number 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 001 and 005. Okay. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22, 23, 24, 25, 25, 26, 27, 27, 28, 29, 30, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 42, 44, 45, 46, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 53. Wait a minute, don't put. Wait a minute, I said. 32. How many times you will enter? Once you have entered, we have recorded it. Don't enter multiple times. 52 present, 53 present, 54 present, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Done. 60, 61, 62, 62, 63. Janavi was always late. 63, 063, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, not there. Done. 001 Asta. Wait. One by one I will take. Asta present. Okay. Next 027 Sri Harsha present. Okay. Next. That's all. 030 Chandan. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು? Next 005 absent. 028 absent. 040 042 46 63 84 90 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 82 are present, 8 are absent. Done. Okay, I'll disable the chat class. So now execution procedure, I think you people know well. First two programs, many of them have not submitted. Sufficient time also have given. Now also you can try and submit it. No problem, in that two columns only. Program number 3, same way, execute it, take a screenshot, put it into your Word document and keep it ready. I will enable one more link for that program 3 in the same session. So there you can submit your program 3 assessment. And evaluation of expressions also I have given in the theory class. Many of them are not yet submitted. Try to submit it that. Okay. So based on that, we will analyze that how programming skills are improving for you. Any corrections is there, I will put individually the mails through that. So then you can correct it before writing it in a examination point of view. Okay. Is it clear now? Then you can start executing your programs. Yes or no? That also no reply. Okay. So you can start executing. A link will be enabled at around 4 o'clock. So at that time, you can submit it in that link. Okay. Fine. Start executing then. I think program is there with you. Is the program there with you? Yes, fine. You can start doing it. If not, please forward it to A section also. I think A section people might have not taken 1 to 60. I think they 1 to 60 it is not there. I remember because 60 is B and C have put the message. 1 to 60 it is not there. I will tell some of them to forward it that program. Okay. So there is a one small correction. Better I will only post it. Okay. Sent it. Okay. That break part you need to add it there. So all of you listen. That break part you need to add. One correction I have made it there. So where all that also I will tell. You can check here. Here, this break part. So after the bracket or before the bracket, check and add. That is an assessment task for you. Okay. So start executing it. ಹಾ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. 005 ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್, 028 28, 40 040, 042 42, 046, 063, 084, 90 ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ. USN number 59. 59, what is this? What is your USN? This fellow, I don't know. Anish Shetty. 63. Absent. ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾನೆ 63 ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇರಪ್ಪ. ಪ್ರತಿ ದಿನ ತಂದು ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೇನೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಕೆಲಸ ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವ್ದೋ ಹಳೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತವನೆ. After 55, it is not there. 63. So I'll be in the online. Any doubt is there, you can ask. No problem. Okay, I'll log out from the session. You can complete the execution and submit it in that program 3 link what we have created there. Okay, have a nice day.